Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to cut through the noise so you can trade with an edge. Today's episode is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, the platform for real-time signals and stock recommendations. Let's get into it. Dick's Sporting Goods is the story of the day, crashing over 30%. The reason is a massive earnings miss and a warning that full-year profits and sales will fall short. Investors are also spooked by the company's Foot Locker acquisition, which is proving to be a significant financial drag. Advanced Micro Devices is moving up 5% today, largely on analyst upgrades and optimism around its server CPU market share gains. Meanwhile, NVDA is up 2%, holding steady as the market waits for its quarterly results. Broadcom is seeing some volatility, down slightly, as investors weigh concerns about competition from Marvell in the custom AI chip space. Intel is also in the mix, up a fraction of a percent, as it continues to navigate the fallout from its recent secondary equity offering. Moving to the broader market, stocks finished higher today as falling oil prices eased bond market concerns. The S&P 500 rose 0.3% and the Dow Jones added 0.3%. The Nasdaq climbed 0.7% and the Russell 2000 gained 0.5%. The market is clearly positioning ahead of the upcoming Jackson Hole Symposium and key inflation data. In the AI economy, the big news is that NVIDIA is paying $6 billion to license a model factory from the startup Poolside, along with a $1 billion equity investment. This signals NVIDIA is moving deeper into building its own frontier-scale models. Also, Cisco is expanding its secure AI factory partnership with Supermicro to provide rack-scale infrastructure for AI data centers. In stocks to focus on, Moderna surged nearly 14% after reporting positive late-stage clinical trial data for its melanoma vaccine, which is a major milestone for mRNA technology in oncology. Finally, looking at earnings, Bank of Nova Scotia reported a record quarter, with shares popping over 7%. Intuit shares fell 3% after reporting its quarterly results, while HEICO shares were relatively flat despite reporting record net income and sales. Zoom Video shares dropped nearly 4% as investors digested its latest performance, and Semtech shares jumped 5% after beating earnings and revenue expectations with record sales in its data center segment. That is it for today. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If there is a stock or sector you want us to cover, leave a comment below. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai.